Hello everyone, and welcome back to the third episode of where I tried to turn $200 into $100,000. The current net worth of this challenge is $1,556.93. As you guys might already expect, there's going to be a lot more furniture flipping happening in this episode. And I'm going to show you guys how we clean some of these couches. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys, but I picked up these dollies. I'm actually gonna also link them in the description, but you guys can go check them out. I personally like them, and I mean, you know, instead of talking about them, why don't I just show you guys how they work? Check it out. I'm exhausted. So I just unloaded these two sectional couches. I'm headed home right now, and I'll probably see you guys somewhere later in the week, probably taking more couches to the storage, or maybe picking up more couches. You never know at this point. Let's get it. In this specific episode, I had a lot of different couches come through the door, and honestly, if I were to go into depth on every single couch, it would just take so much time, so I'm just gonna probably summarize everything at the end. But these are just a few couches that came through the door and I put them in my storage unit. I had so many couches coming through the door that honestly, running into a bit of a problem. I'm currently taking on more couches than I can probably handle with time right now. I have a little too many couches. So currently my storage unit is getting pretty full. I mean, some of you guys will probably say, well, Mikhail, you gotta clean up a little more, be a little more organized. And yeah, that's true, but even if I started like organizing, putting them all straight up, this would be like 3/4 of the way full. All right, so for this third episode of me trying to get to $100,000, I'm gonna continue doing some more couch flips because I'm still in the process of figuring out what exactly, maybe some kind of business I wanna start or something else. But I'm gonna go pick up a few couches right now. So I have one sectional couch. It's not the best color, as you guys can see. This is brown sectional. These are not, these don't really do so well, but I mean, they're selling it for 50 bucks and it's a 10-minute drive for me. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna take a look, and hopefully it's a great couch. I'm gonna go pick up and take to my storage unit. And the second one that I've actually been talking to this client since probably like last week, like Thursday. This couch popped up for 50 bucks. 50 bucks, guys. Take a look at it. As you guys can see right here, this is a gray sectional. This sectional actually has a lot of I don't know what this is even called, like peeling or something. So when you use a couch too often, the fabric just kind of starts to peel. But I talked with my wife about it, and she's like, it should not be a problem. She's gonna figure that out. She's gonna clean that up. So been talking to her. She says she's getting so many people. That's what you guys can see right here. She actually marked it as sold. Hopefully we can flip these really quickly, so our challenge can keep going and we can get to 100,000 as soon as possible. And before anyone takes these couches away from me, I gotta get going and I gotta go pick them up. Let's go. Well guys, I just took a look at that sectional couch that I told you guys about, the brown one. I'll probably have a picture of it right here. I ended up not getting it, and let me explain to you why I ended up not going with it. One thing is because it's not really a full sectional, and what I mean by that is actually you guys will see a video right here I'll be playing, and you guys can see that it's actually part of a full sectional couch, and it looks like one part of it, well, they said someone else took it, and so there's like a part where you can connect the rest of the couch that's supposed to actually be there, but it's not there. If it was a gray sectional, I probably would have ended up taking it, but because it's brown, I mean, it is 50 bucks. I don't know if I really want it. I think there's gonna be a better opportunity that's gonna pop up. Another thing why I actually feel good, why I passed up on it, is because I'm the type of person, I'm still learning. It's hard for me to say no, just in general in life, and so when I went and took a look at it, I'm like, this is gonna be a good practicing point, and so I just told them we're gonna pass on it. And honestly guys, the best part about if you don't want to tell someone no, like straightforward straightforward that you don't want something, the best thing is to have like a business partner or someone that you can call to see if what they think. So it's not like, you know, you're making the decision. If you feel uncomfortable to say no, you can just call someone. That's exactly actually what I did. I called my wife. I was like, yeah, you know, you want this, and I can explain it to her. And then after the phone call was done, I just kind of, I don't want to say I blamed it on my wife, but I was like, you know, my wife doesn't want it, and you know, I want her to feel confident in what she gets. And so they were like, oh yeah, of course, no, I understand. So just an idea for you guys. If you guys ever want to say no, but not like directly, just an idea. So as you guys can see, I just picked up this couch, and let me actually tell you guys, this couch, the color of it is actually much better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a lighter gray, but it ended up being a darker gray. And to me personally, I like darker gray, and it seems like they do much better as well. As you guys saw though, there's a lot of peeling, there's a lot of dog hair. This is a messy one, but I know my wife is gonna do a great job at cleaning it. And I think that's what gives us an advantage of when we're flipping houses. Flipping houses, what is going on? Flipping couches, sorry. We're able to work as a team, so I go and pick him up, and my wife does a great job cleaning them. I'll tell you 100%. I tried cleaning a couch once. It was nothing close to how my wife did it. So you guys are probably gonna have to wish me a little bit of luck, because I just picked up a sectional and I'm trying to do it all in one trip. So picking it up from there, walking down those stairs and these stairs. I don't know, I just think I get kind of lucky with all these apartments. But this is what it kind of looks like. As you guys can see, I think I'm just kind of getting lucky with these apartments, to be honest. But this is a good pickup though, because I mean, the color is not the best. It's a brownish color, but the good thing about it is I picked it up for 50 bucks, and I know that once we clean it all up and we post it back up, I can probably get $400 to $450 for it. This right here is the $50 sectional couch that I purchased. It needs a little bit of cleaning. It's a type of color that it's kind of hard to tell if there's anything dirty, but as you guys can see, like this part right here, it's a little like scuffed up. I'm not sure if we'll be able to clean out any of that kind of, I don't know, dirt or scuffness or whatever it's called, but I think we'll probably clean this up right now, and then we will hopefully take some pictures right now, because we need to get this posted as soon as possible, since it is taking up some space in our garage. And if we are able to take these out, it's just gonna make more space for us, and hopefully we sell it as quick as possible. To date, this was probably the couch that we spent the most time actually deep cleaning it. Although we could have just, you know, let the couch go as it was, we just thought it would have been better to spend the time deep clean it, and that way we could definitely get a higher profit margin. I really don't know why, but I completely forgot to take some videos of what it actually looked like after, and I think it's because we were just waiting for it to dry, and I just got caught up in time and I forgot to do it. But here are the pictures that we used to post on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace to sell this sectional couch. As you guys can see, it turned out pretty well, and we were actually able to clean off all the dirt that was on the armrest, so we were pretty happy about that. We've had it sitting out here probably for like 3 days now because one, we were cleaning it, and the other reason is because it just wasn't selling. It's a type of color that it seems like many people don't like. As you guys can see right here, it's a brownish color. Today we had someone stop by and they agreed to purchase it. We had it up for $395 and they agreed for also a $50 delivery because I am delivering it right now to it's about a 29-mile drive, 38-minute drive. So they are paying extra for delivery. I'm on my way to deliver it and hopefully they do take it because it's a pretty far drive. Let's go. We're all strapped in, we're ready to go. Hopefully we'll get this delivered. Don't you just love traffic? This is technically supposed to be a 35-minute drive to deliver the couches, but it's gonna end up being like a 55-minute drive. I don't like this, but oh well, at least we're getting rid of these couches. I'm happy about that. Well, here we are. I am leaving their place right now. I got it delivered and I secured the caches right here. I'll see you guys soon. Just so you guys know the struggle of recording a video, this is my third time recording this video because the first time my microphone wasn't on and the second time my camera wasn't on. All right, let's do this. I know many of you guys are dying to know what my position in Dogecoin looks like. Well, here it is. I did have a market order set for around 23 or 24 cents, so I ended up investing around $200 into Dogecoin. And before any of you guys assume that I'm doing the good old strategy of buy high, sell low, even though my position is down to $175 right now, I am planning to hold it until it hits around $5. As far as furniture flipping went for this episode, it went pretty great. We ended up picking up 5 couches and selling 3 of them, for a total of $1,045 in sales. Out of that $1,045, our profit was $830. In the last episode, I did actually forget to include the cost of the dollies that I ended up purchasing. And the cost for those was $49.65. And like I said, if any of you guys are interested in purchasing any of the supplies that I use, all the affiliate links are going to be down in the description. So if we combine everything together to see what our net worth is, our inventory is currently at $550. Our cash position is currently at $1,636.90. Correction, 93 cents. So that brings the total net worth of this challenge to $2,362.80. Well, that's it for this episode. I really hope you guys are enjoying this challenge because I'm personally having a blast doing this series. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and also a daily reminder, don't forget to turn your post notifications on. And until next time,